excited na kami na ipakita sa inyo lahat ng bikes. Before I do that, we'd like to welcome everybody here, gents, ladies, non-binaries. Kasama din natin ang ating Cruise Sim Club. Palakpakan na for the Cruise Sim Club. We're right here. And also, where's Benelli Mindoro? Benelli Mindoro, palakpakan tayo lahat for Benelli Mindoro for being here. Maraming salamat po, ladies and gentlemen. Before I continue, I think it's only proper that I call. Tawagin po natin ang catalyst ng event na to. Please welcome Mr. Zach Lucero, right here. Palakpakan. Sir Zach, magandang hapon. Here to say a few words for us, Mr. Zach Lucero, ladies and gentlemen.
Iolo, maraming salamat. That is a fantastic intro. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga bisita natin, friends in the media. Welcome to the Makina Motor Show Day 2. Of course, we are very excited. 5 bikes. We're looking at 5 bikes. And again,